In Filmora, ChatGPT plugin has come, and along with AI image generator. So come on, let me show you these features. You can see here this new option of AI copywriting has been added. So click on it, then this windows will pop up, and you can use it only 20 times in a day. I write my question in it, then click on submit. Just have to wait a few seconds or minutes, then your answer will come. So you can see how it has told everything how to make gaming intro. And by turning on this pin, you can use this windows over any applications, like if I want footage for intro, then I can download it from Google. And this is the option of AI copywriting. You will get to see many places in Filmora. Like I add a text. Then I need some idea for my text, so I can search here and get it. And when video export time, video name, and description, that too can be done with the help of this AI copywriting. So now let's see AI image generator. So here you will get the option of AI image, click on it. Then here this is the size for the image, one has to be selected, then here in the text box, the text has to be written, which image is required. So got this result, now I would try something else. This is also very well made. And you can download and use this image from this download button. Hope you have liked these new features of Filmora.